Okay guys, now we have finished with Chow Mala Palace, and now we are going Lumbini Park. There is something laser show, so we are visiting there and we'll see you there next. Yeah. So guys, have reached Lumbini Park. It's night, it's dark, and it's show over here, some laser show. So we'll go. Hey guys. Okay, now we are going to that Buddha statue at Hussain Sagar. I'll show you from when I flip the camera. I'll show you. And right now we are going by boat. So yeah, it's exciting. See, we are going by this boat. And we are going there where you can see that blue. Okay, so we have worn this life jacket, and you can see my brother struggling with his life jacket. I have worn, yes, so we'll go now. Good morning guys. Okay, so right now I am at Kulpakji. So if you are Jain, you must be knowing this place, and if you don't know, then it's really a nice place. So if you are Jain and you are visiting Hyderabad or planning to visit, you must visit. And it is a very old place, and here we are going to do puja and all those stuffs and return back to Hyderabad. It's 80 to 90 kilometers away from Hyderabad, and all the way we have came in an auto. Auto wala took almost 2000 rupees, but car, if we were planning to hire a car, they were asking for more than 4500 rupees. It was quite costly, that's what we felt, so we opt for auto. Next thing, that if you don't want to come in auto, there's a train from Sikandrabad to Alay station, and you can come from Alay station. You'll get vehicle for Kulpakji, and in return you may not get vehicle, so you have to leave this place before like 4 o'clock maybe, so maybe you get the return vehicle to station. Yeah, that's all I have observed till now, and I'll do puja over here and then return back. And all the way I have just taken few shots because I slept. I totally, like 80% of the time I have slept in auto, because yesterday we went to Ramoji studio and we were really exhausted, and today morning we woke up at 5:30 and left by 6, so it took almost 2 hours for us to reach over here. But it's okay, like you if you are Jain, you must be knowing that this place and you will be visiting. So it was just tips and tricks. Yeah, that was all. I am Jain and I do visit such places if I am going for any of the holiday, because this is also one type of, yeah, one part of life. Yeah, so we'll just I'll do puja and meet you next. Yeah. And so basically what we did today is we went Kulpakji and then returned our cottage, at a hotel, and got freshened up. In middle we did shopping. We took Karachi biscuit for shopping tips, not tips like in Hyderabad. If you're visiting, there are 4 major things you should shop. Like you should visit Pearl Market. They offer, sorry for the noise, I am at the road. Okay, they give original pearls. Second thing, good Karachi biscuit, fruit biscuit. Third thing, sari market. And fourth thing is bangles market. Yeah, that's what I have observed here. So yeah, that's it. And we took Karachi biscuit to gift people and for our own self. I took fruit biscuit and chocolate biscuit. It's amazing. I loved it. They give you for free tasting. So I tasted and I took that. So I'll just flip the camera and we'll see the fort. Okay, so it's morning and today we are going, it's day 4 and today we are going Nehru Zoo Center, Nehru Zoo, which I'll tell you guys today. And next we have planned, let's see how day goes, hope for the best. And we are tired a lot, but then also it's light day, simple, quite fine. So yeah, and we are in cab and I'll let you guys know. Yeah. guys, so have completed with zoo and it is amazing. I just loved it, but I'm tired, like walking. And then we have that car and safari also. We didn't went in safari because it was like lion. Although I and my brother didn't find that interesting, but the animals are amazing. The birds, we saw crocodile, we saw night animals and lion, tiger, everything is there. Whatever you saw in the footage in previous clips, but it is amazing. The zoo is really amazing. It took us almost, it's 12, so we entered by 9:30, then 9:30, it took almost 2 to 3 hours, 2.5 hours. It totally depends on how you go and how you waste your time or how much time do you take at one animal. But overall you can expect 2 hours for zoo. And now we are going for Sudha Car Museum, that is vintage car museum. So really excited for that, especially my brother, he's really excited. So we'll just have a look, we'll go there, and it is 13 minutes walking from here, so I have no idea like how we'll go by walking or maybe by rickshaw. So we'll just have a look. Yeah. Okay guys, we are ready. You won't imagine, I have worn shorts today and it's really gonna be hell right now. Just saying. So we'll just have a look. Okay guys, so Snow World was really amazing. I really liked it, but frankly speaking, to be true, I like the Mumbai one more. I have been there twice and I have been Ahmedabad Snow World also twice and this Hyderabad, but Mumbai one is the best, I would suggest. So it's nice. And now we took a ticket of combination of Bhoot Bangla and Rainforest and Illusion of Mirror, so we'll go ahead there. Yeah. Okay, so basically Kaleido was really amazing place. It was like a bulbulaya. You may lost in those mirror stuffs. So it's amazing. We were at Nizam Museum at yeah, And you know what? The charges I felt is really high. It's like 100 rupees per person for entry. But the museum is amazing. It's really nice. Okay, so it was the full description of Nizam, and all the details, like everything is given in detail. And in his party, all the gifts he got was of gold and silver. So all the things over here are of gold and silver. It's nice, but I felt the price is little high. It's that's all. Okay, now we'll be visiting maybe Birla Science Museum, and yeah, meet you there. Just the last day this is, and we left home by 12:30, 1 o'clock, and it was just a relaxing day. And tomorrow we'll leaving by morning, early morning, that is 5:30. So first, yeah, we'll go ahead from here.